isang process na palit ng impormasyon, idea of memories. As all, mahigit process sa dalawang tao.
Ha? Okay. Eh, ba't sinasabi mo sa amin yan?
Communication is essential in our daily lives. It helps us to understand each other. Pero tandaan, hindi rin laging perfect ang communication. Basta may sinisira nito.
Let me not quit the good trip. I hear God that told me.
Kasi ito people, noise barrier is external factor katulad ng sound distraction na nag-interpret ng communication dahil sa si Ayana and Ben ay hindi magkarinigan at nahihirapang magkaintindihan.
Oo, sorry na ba? Hindi ko naman gusto sirayin yung communication natin.
It's okay, Ben. It's okay, Ben. Just remember that good communication requires minimizing distraction and focusing on the message. Now that we talk about barriers, let's show you something even proof how communication actually works. Isa-isayin muna natin gamitin ang communication mode. Sender, encoding, channel, decoding, receiver, and feedback. This is the recipe for a good communication.
Anong ibig mong sabihin?
Gamitin natin yung imbawa yung conversation mo kanina. Ayona, nakipag-usap pa kay Jen.
Yes, sinabi ko sa kanya kanina na may event sa school namin next week.
Nagsimula ng message.
Then ako yung receiver dahil nakikinig ako, di ba?
Exactly, pero bukod ka doon, meron ka. Ayun na, nung isip ni sabihin mo, in-encode mo yung message niya. You turn your thoughts into words.
Oh, I see. And sinabi ko ito, so my channel was my voice.
Bingo! And yung narinig ka ni Jen, in-encode niya yung message mo, very sudden words.
I got it. Pero paano yung feedback?
Yung sinasabi na parang response ang message ni Ayona when you say, oh yay! Yun ba yung pageant and talent show na pinapakita ng feedback na nag-work yung communication niya, na nagpapatuloy ng pag-communicate niya.
Wait. So, ano nga na pag may voice na ito sa speaker at kawin na?
Great question. Ben, nung nagpatugtog mo yung malakas na music, nagkagulo nito yung channel. Hindi na nagnagariligan si Ayona and Jen. Nang maayos kaya nawalan sila ng proper communication.
Kaya nga, di ba sigaw ako ng sigaw kayo na, tapos di mo pa rin ako maintindihan.
Exactly. Kinala niya yung flow ng communication kaya hindi yung maayos yung message. Let's practice with Jen. Ikaw naman yung sender. Nagsasabi ka ng kahit ano sa akin. Really got the ice cream after that. Read you include your thought into words. You use your voice channel and just decode your message. May feedback is, sige tara ice cream tayo.